Welcome to this video where I will be looking at Chancel Repair Liability Risk and the Chancel Indemnity Insurance policies that you can get to protect yourself from claims. Let's quickly explain what a Chancel Repair Liability is. If your property is located on land in England or Wales that was previously owned by or liable to the local Anglican church, or you own a property in an historical area that may be liable for unexpected church repairs, this is known as a Chancel Repair Liability Risk. The chancel is the part of an Anglican parish church that contains the choir and altar. If you are at the early stages of buying a property, please check your conveyancing quote and see whether your conveyancer is planning to charge you for a Chancel Repair Liability search. If they are, it may be worth asking them to not do one and save your money. All a search will do is cost you money to tell you that either you are liable for repairs or you are not liable for repairs. If you are not liable, the search will have cost more than a no-search chancel insurance policy. If it states that there is a known liability, the insurance policy is likely to be more expensive because you are aware of the risk. So, it is better to insure against an unknown risk than to find out if a risk exists. I hope that makes sense. A vital thing to know is whether there is a mention of a chancel liability risk on your title deed, as this will greatly affect your premium costs. Your conveyancer will have a copy of your title deed, so asking to see a copy should be no trouble at all. If you wish to get a copy of the existing title deed yourself, Property Searches Direct can get a copy for you. You will find a link to get one in our shop. We provide a no-search chancel indemnity liability insurance policy in our shop that will provide you with cover of up to £500,000. This is likely to be more than you will ever need. You just need to check and confirm that you meet with the assumptions of the policy. One thing to note is that the size of the chancel liability policy bears no relation to the value of a property. This is something that many conveyancers, and lenders for that matter, invariably get confused about, suggesting that a £500,000 policy will not be okay for a property valued at £800,000, but of course it will. The sum relates to the amount of funds being made available for a claim, and the value of the property is not considered in that calculation. The claim amount will total the cost of the repair, divided between the number of homes within the parish catchment. We also provide a policy for people who have had a chancel search done and are aware of a known or potential liability, but there is no mention of the liability on the title deeds. Again, you need to check the assumptions before buying it. It is worth noting that you should not buy any of the chancel indemnity policies until you have exchanged. Many people will buy them as they complete to get the policy on risk at the point of moving in. If you do not meet with the assumption and need a bespoke quote, please get in touch with us via phone, web chat, or email, and we will be delighted to assist you further.